Hi everyone, in this video, we show you how to do split screen in Capcut. Firstly, open the Capcut application on your mobile device. Here, tap on New Project. Now, add the video that you want to put in one screen. At this point, select only one video. After that, tap on Add. Now, from the bottom, tap on Ratio. Initially, select the 9:16. Once you're done, tap on the stick icon. After that, tap on the Overlay option. Now select Add Overlay. From your gallery, select the second video that you want to use. Once selected, tap on Add. Now adjust both videos side by side on the same screen. Tap on the play button to put the overlay on the complete video. After that, again tap on Ratio and select the size as 16:9. Now, we can get both complete videos on a single screen. You can now adjust the videos as per your video. Once done, go ahead and export your video. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.